All right. So yeah, hi guys, long time no see. And yeah, the PCT exam is over. I got almost 60 to 65 marks out of 100, and it will fetch me somewhere around below 1000 rank. On a good day, it might be below 500, but below 1000 is for sure. So yeah, that's one CV point, I guess. And the update for I will start my preparation from now, and we will resume our CAT preparation. So the update for today will be I again revised the time, speed and distance. I did the first basic chapter and solved, I guess, the same questions again, because in 5 to 6 days I was not able to remember it quite fluently, so I revised it again. And apart from that, I did two concept videos from VRC 1000, solved two RCs, and from this LRDI I solved two sets of tooth and lie. And yeah, that will be it for today, guys. Yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.